Okay, hello, my name is Rich DeForest, and this is video number 2 of my Capstone project. And my KEAP ID is czj428, and I am thrilled to be able to announce and share this video as my second Capstone video because I'm able to demonstrate what we did in the automation system. And I think this is where KEAP really becomes a very sexy tool for me as a business owner to be able to use, and for me to share with other business owners to be able to use as well. Because of the automated process that it sets up, it acts just like an employee that I don't have to pay. I pay for KEAP obviously, but I don't have to pay health insurance. I don't have to feed. I don't have to worry about sick days, and it automatically works and makes certain that I am communicating effectively with my clients and our clients, and also the clients of the customers that I use it for. So, so happy to be able to share this video with you. Now, from video number 1, as you may remember, may not, we went through and took all 1,600 plus of the people that we communicate with on a regular basis, and we tagged them. We created our contact list so that we had segmentation, so we knew who we were talking to and who we were not. Then I demonstrated how we set up a broadcast. And in this broadcast, I showed the email in video number 1 of how we created the button that we then created a tag that would trigger the automation when the recipients of the email clicked and then did something with it from there. I also shared how we included an integrated KEAP with our Google Calendar, and then also how I connected KEAP with my merchant provider, which is Stripe. And everything that we do is online, and Stripe is a great provider for online merchant provider. And so we connected our Stripe to the back end. And then I also demonstrated in video number 1 how we set up our products. Now then, once we did all of that and got all of that built into the system, all of our contacts, all of our products, our merchant, our appointments, and everything that we would need to be able to communicate with that customer, we then set up an automation. And in that broadcast that we set up, we tagged a button with an automated process. I'm going to demonstrate that automated process to be able to show you just a glimpse of all that this can do. And you can get as creative as you want to get within the KEAP system. But right here, it's called NNA link clicked. All right. Now, what we did here is when we open it, we then can start to see the automation that we set up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the edit button, and I'm going to show you what we set up originally. So here's the tag. So in setting up the tag was NNA Knoxville Hobnob, and we selected a category, NNA. This allowed us to segment this automation so that in the future, when I want to do additional tags to NNA, which is the National Networking Association, when I want to do additional tags in the future, all I have to do is click it. It's already built. It's already set up. And from here, I'm then able to set up the sequence of what I want to happen when this tag is activated. And this start icon initiates the process. So the person clicks the link, instantly KEAP goes to work for me, or for any one of the clients that I create as well. And so what it does first is it sets up this email, because that's what I created it to do. And you're able to design it. You're able to change the font, the color, the size. You know, you can do so much with being creative in here. But then the blocks make it very easy to drag and drop however you want to build this email out. We built a very simple email thanking them for the registration for the Knoxville Hobnob. And then we hyperlink this image just in case they need it again. But that's if they go ahead and register. Well, we said, what happens if they don't open the email? What happens if they don't go look at it? All right, well, we solved that within KEAP as well, because one day later, the system automatically sends an SMS message for us. And in the SMS message, I'll show you what it says. It says, very simply, by the way, it comes from our toll-free number, but when people reply via SMS to this text message, it comes directly to me. I can tell everyone that, again, my name is Rich DeForest. I'm the founder of a platform called Fanzuma. And Fanzuma is a text and email communication system that I built. Cost me well in excess of $800,000 and 11 years in building. Now, you might think that's way too long, but we had several iterations, several recaps, and things that we've done. and I am I'm temporarily postponing the use of my own product in order to use KEAP, because KEAP is so much more powerful than the platform that I built myself. So the inventors, creators, and developers of KEAP have really done an amazing job, because they allow me to import the first name of the recipient of the text message and then say, "Hi, this is Rich from NCI, following up to make sure you saw the NNA registration button in yesterday's email. Text me if you have questions." And if they reply to this text, again, it comes directly to my cell phone, where I can now have a two-way conversation between me and the recipient. And it's absolutely fantastic. It's compliant with the MMA, Mobile Marketing Association, all the rules and regulations. They don't really have spam in MMA, in mobile marketing, but they do in email. But suffice it to say, I'm able to send a qualified text message, which is priceless. And then it's going to drive them to the email. If they then, when they get that text, they're also going to get an email that I set up. The email reminder then says, "This is Rich from NTI, following up to make sure you saw the NNA registration button in yesterday's email." Notice the branding consistency. Notice the message consistency. I'm able to send a text message via SMS and an email to all of those recipients that I selected through the segmentation of my contacts, to then make sure I'm following up with a new register today button in case they missed it in the first one, automatically. That's the magic, ladies and gentlemen, of what KEAP has built, is the automation, the tagging, the segmentation, all automated. It's like having that amazing employee that always comes to work, that always shows up, and that always delivers and never asks you for anything. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is just some of what I could say about just how powerful the KEAP platform is. I mean, you could forget the CRM. You could forget the appointment integration. You could forget the product and services and all that. Just using it for the automation, once set up, will save you thousands of dollars potentially in employees every week, every month, and certainly every year. And I encourage each and every one of you to find out more about KEAP and what KEAP can do for you and for your business. And I think when you get into it, you will find out just how powerful it is to help your business grow to the next level without a lot more cost involved and invested into your business. So again, my name is Rich DeForest. Just a small demonstration of the automation and how it works. This is video number 2 of my Capstone project video uploads. And again, my code is czj428 if that helps. And I hope that this helps someone take their business to the next level. Thank you very much for watching.